At Le Mans at the end of the 1950s, you needed to be driving one of these. The Ferrari 250 Testarossa wasn't just beautiful, it was frighteningly effective. It dominated the 24-hour race in 1958 and again in 1960. And then, just for good measure, when the opposition thought it could breathe again, it won again in 1961. Its close cousin, the 250 GTO, might be the most valuable car the world has ever seen, but the Testarossa was the one that took the silverware. For all its beauty, the GTO had to make do with class wins, where the Testarossa beat everything. Its name comes from the red paint the engine builders daubed all over its cylinder head, because, well, that's the only colour paint they have at Ferrari. Testarossa means red head. And sure enough, its 3-litre V12 engine, made by old men in oily workshops with lathes and drills and unfortunate industrial injuries, had a volcanic nature. There is sweat and blood and a bad attitude in every Ferrari 250 Testarossa.
Inspired by Formula One cars of the era, the unorthodox-looking pontoon fenders were crafted by lead designer Sergio Scaglietti after Enzo Ferrari demanded better bodywork to aid in cooling the problematic front brakes. Rather than ingesting air through a single intake like a conventional car, velocity stacks feed each cylinder individually, providing more power and creating an engine sound that's music to the ears. The 3-litre V12 engine produces 300 horsepower. This helps the car reach 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and achieve a top speed of 168 miles per hour. To feed the thirsty V12 engine, a massive 37-gallon fuel tank was used. That's nearly 3.5 times larger than the gas tank on a typical Honda. When topped up, the big tank weighs a whopping 224 pounds. The Ferrari 250 Testarossa is equipped with 16-inch wire wheels and finned alloy and magnesium competition drum brakes. Forget the amenities. The 250 TR's interior was built for racing, with an easy-access battery mounted in the passenger footwell and a second needle on the tachometer to record the highest engine RPM reached. The rear-wheel drive Ferrari 250 Testarossa features a 4-speed manual transmission.